Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do sum if not equal to in Google Sheets. So if you guys knew, sum is usually used when you want to sum. For example, on this data, you want to sum the data 1 or you want to sum data 3 only or data 2 only. You can use the sum if. But if you want to use sum if not equal to, you can do this formula right here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, in here I want to sum the uh data in here not equal to data 1 or except data 1. You can just use this formula right here. So let's say I'm going to retype the formula sum if, and then the range is the category right here, data 1 until 3, and then comma and double quotation, and in here not equal to, you can oops comma, so the not equal to, you can use this less than and then greater than icon or mark, and then click on data 1. So in this case I will not sum the data 1, I will sum data 3 and 2 only, and then just click on double quotation again, comma, and after that the sum range is numbers, the numbers here, and after that you can just click on enter, and here is the result. So I want to sum the all this data except data 1. So let's see if you sum it manually. I'm going to check the answer, so I'm going to do some I'm going to just sum the data through 2 and 3. I'm going to click this, and then this one's right here, and after that data 2, and this one's okay. So as you can see, the result is the same. So you can just use the sum if formula to sum the data not equal to data 1. So you can also do that. For example, you want to sum if you can I want to sum this data not equal to data 3, for example. So I'm going to click on this, and then comma and double quotation, and not equal to data 3, for example, double quotation again, and then the sum range is the column A, and here is the result. So I'm going to check if my the formula is right. So I'm going to sum the data 1 and 2 only. So data 1 right here, data 2, 1, 1, and the last one. Okay, so as you can see, the result is the same. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can do sum if not equal to in Google Sheet. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.